What is good? How we doing today? I'm feeling fantastic. Hit the gym this morning. Hit legs. Hit a PR. Fired up. Just been looking at SPY, and we're reacting off this support level. Look at this support level. It's kind of like the same thing yesterday. I called out this support level, didn't take a trade. Look at this support level we're at right now. Daily bullish, 4 hour bullish, 1 hour bullish, 30-minute bullish, 15-minute. We're kind of consolidated, but overall we're bullish. 5-minute bullish, or 5-minute about to be bullish, and then 1 minute we're already bullish. Market just opened. I feel like right now would be a good entry, but I'm staying patient. I don't like to take trades within the first 30 minutes at all, but I'm definitely bullish right here. My target would be above there. Stop just below my EMAs. That could be a potential good trade, but I'm staying patient. I kind of want a retest of the support level, or a retest of my EMAs. But I'm definitely bullish today, so. We'll see what happens. Let's just double check some things real quick. We don't have any news today. And then if we go on our bar chart, the amount of volume at 474, and this 475, 473, 473. I would love for us to retest this 473 support level, but right now we're kind of ripping. Like that. Yeah, that could have been a good entry. That's what I was looking for. Let me take off this indicator real quick. Let's look at the pre-market. Pre-market highs are all the way up here. Pre-market lows. I would love for us, if we break above these highs and then retest it, that could also be another possible entry. But I'm not gonna ever play the initial break. And it looks like we're about to hit that. Take liquidity above these orders. Oh, these highs, sorry. Hey, you don't lose anything by not taking a trade. That could have been a good one, but for me, anytime I've taken a trade within the first 5 minutes, That's also on like other things like Tesla. Uh, Tesla's dumping Dumpski. You know, we had it all. Yeah, we want to see a retest of some sort. Like, that's what we want to see, and then bullish continuation. If we don't see that, then we won't take a trade, and that's completely okay. That's completely fine. Yeah, we just broke those highs. I guess I could have took that trade, de-risked a little bit, did like half a position size. That could have been a good. Have a tighter stop. My stop could have been just below here, target above here. That would have been a great risk to reward. I just don't feel confident in doing that. Yeah, watch. We just swept these highs. I'm waiting for a pullback of some sort. What's good, Luca? I guess you're watching at school. It's gonna be a great day. I'm bullish on SPY. Uh, I could have taken a trade, but I was looking at it, but I didn't take it. But we're just gonna wait. We want to see a retest of some sort. Yes, sir. Bro, you're deadly. Like you're in school trading. That's insane. Like that's insane. I usually trade around the first 2 hours of the day. I don't really like to take any trades later in the day. Yeah, we definitely do have sell side liquidity resting above these. Like, I want to retest, and then I want more bullish confirmation, and then I'll take a trade. If that doesn't happen, I won't take a trade. But I'm gonna stay patient, and just let this thing do what it wants to do. Just look at that, EMAs. The high would have been my take profit, but hey, it is what it is. Yeah, for sure. I'm waiting for. I feel like sellers definitely gonna step up after this area. and that's kind of what I'm waiting for. Yeah, we could sell off dramatically, but I would wait for more bullish continuation before I get into a trade. SPY's been doing this all week. It's ripping that open. I'll take off this. What do we have in here? We have a fair value gap. Easy to spot. 1 minute. Yeah, I would like to see us test one of these fair value gaps and then continue higher. NQ. Whoa. Apple's looking weak. Nvidia's, I don't know. Nvidia's kind of scaring me out. Q. Yeah, I very well think we could get a sell off here. So we're just gonna wait. Stay patient. You know, we swept these highs. Now preferably see a break on the 1 minute. That's kind of what we want to see, a break on the 1 minute, and then we'll see if we retest or if we continue bearish. Yeah, Umar, I'm trading SPY right now. So I only trade SPY, especially now on, like, I am not trading Tesla or any of those. It's like anytime I'll trade like Tesla or Nvidia, like, I'll just get messed up. I'll just get caught in it. But SPY, we're definitely gonna wait. Can't get too caught up. Can't get too antsy on anything. But overall, I'm leaning bullish on SPY. I would like to see a retest of some sort, or if sellers really do pick up, we might flip bearish. But in my eyes, like, look at this big support level. Completely bounced off it. We broke structure on the 5 minute. Let's look at the 15 minute. 15 minute. We just broke structure. We want to see this. If I'm a buyer, I want to see this 15-minute candle close. We were closing in like a minute and a half. Yeah. Which order block are you looking at? Here, I'm gonna take off this. Like, I like this indicator, but sometimes it gets a little bit too much. Yeah, I think we could possibly that's a zone we could hit. We have a lot of volume at 475. where we're at, we could hit a wall here at 475. So look at all these contracts. That 475 level. It's a 1 hour order block. Yeah, I can kind of see it better on the SPX, but this one, is that the one you're talking about? Look alive, look alive. Alright, sorry for that. Yeah, we're in no need in a hurry to put on a trade. Let's be careful here. Sellers kind of stepping up on the 1 minute. We just broke. We could possibly break below the 9 EMA. 9 EMA on this 1 minute candle. 5 minute candle. Still definitely bullish. But sellers are kind of stepping up here. Like if we do take a trade, gotta make sure our risk is right. That's most important. Make sure we have right risk. Being able to lose more times is essential. Look alive, look alive. Alright, I got you, Luca. Yeah, damn. That's very clean. And then if we get a break, that's looking nice. Tesla's very weak. Apple, pretty weak. Yeah, we're just gonna wait. That first entry I called out would I should have took that, honestly. That break to the downside. Look at yourself fly. Yeah, personally, I need to see more to get into a trade. This very well could be high day right here. Also could not be. I can get you so right. Stacking blue hundreds. There we go. There we go now. There we go now. That's what we want to see. Now do we see sellers step up here, or do we have buying continuation? For me, I'm still looking bullish. I would love to see us here. Let's hop over the 5 minute. I would love to see us retest one of these EMAs, get a bounce, stop below one of those EMAs, target out the previous high. That's what I would love to see personally. We still have 2.5 minutes for this 5 minute candle to close. Definitely waiting for that. Then let's just see. Patience. Patience. Like this could very well just be a retest. Yeah, look what we're doing. Holding above this 50 EMA. Also in this imbalance on the 1 minute. I would love to see us test this imbalance and then test this EMA too. And then I would enter. If we see if we cause a reaction off of that, have like a really tight stop, profit above here. Like for me that's worth it. That's worth taking that. I wouldn't be risking much at all. And that 5 minute candle is just about to close. Yeah, it closes in 10 seconds. Let's see if this, I don't know if this really updates. It does. Yeah, 48,475 calls. And then puts, not a whole bunch of volume. Yeah, this is kind of what we want to see here. Stay impatient. Hourly closes in 347. Kind of rejecting this order block that we had. We're waiting. We're not. You can't get too biased here, but I just think we could end at 470. Definitely end the day in the 475, possibly 476. In my opinion, that's what I see. We broke pre-market highs. Retesting this fair value gap right now. Ready for a switch? No, I only trade SPY, really. But yeah, like SPY and QQQ pretty much are the same companies in them, so they react a lot similar. But I definitely should be looking on QQQ if I'm trying to trade SPY, because like could see someone on QQQ, but they're not the same, but they're very similar. Because QQQ for me, we have the support level. Look at that. Yeah, I'm definitely liking this to the upside. I'm just gonna take a look at what contracts are looking like. Stop would be below this fair value gap. And then target. Yeah, it would be slightly above the high that we created. I just created an order. See if I get filled. We just got filled. We're in calls. About a 1 to 1.6 risk to reward. Volume's picking up. But let's see. If we hit our stop loss today, then we hit our stop loss. We hit our take profit, then we hit our take profit. Wow. Looks like we're going to get stopped out. We're retesting that fair value gap. Yep. We got stopped out. Damn. Took a $90 loss today. About to post this into the Discord. Damn. We just... weren't patient enough? I don't know. Sellers definitely stepped up there. I would have, should have, yeah, now that 5 minutes retesting at 100 EMA. But let's go over this trade. So SPY, we had this major support level, and then we continued bullish, and then we got this retracement, what we wanted to see. And then if we go over the 1 minute, we retrace into this fair value gap, showed support above this 50 EMA, and then that's when we started to enter, and then we got faked out and got reversed. We kind of had a tighter stop. Our profit was going to be just above these highs that we formed earlier, and we got stopped out. So that's the trade that I took. I kind of took it a little early. 807. Like, my thing is, like, I'm able to find spots where price does this. Like, I completely identified that. But just what was in here? Imbalance. What did we do? We reacted off of that. Bodies held below that, and then we went lower. Broke structure here. Boom. Yeah, but I'm only gonna take that trade today. Another loss this week. I've definitely been getting in my head. In my head for sure. I need to be putting in a little bit more work. It just sucks to be at this point. Like, I feel like I'm able to understand the market. I'm able to find spots where price moves. You entered after wholesale news with the Russell moving strongly to the downside. Yeah. Where do you find your news? Like, where are you able to see your news? Like, if I was because I use Forex Factory, and I'm sure there's like other economic news out there, but it showed U.S. Economic Calendar Market Watch. Oh, Mike just fell. Oh, Loki, I'm gonna use this news. Thank you for that. I feel like this is better than Forex Factory. Cause I guess because it said yeah we had at 8 a.m. my time, well 10 a.m. and that's kind of where we entered, went lower. Cause like right now, wouldn't it be a terrible entry? Like if I'm still biased towards the upside. It just sucks, bro. But I'm never gonna let myself overtrade. I only take one trade a day. Monday I took two, and look what happened. I got in my emotions. I lost another one, and I should have ended the day after that first play. And that's what I'm gonna do today. And I encourage you guys to do the same if you took a loss. Um, Dude, I appreciate that, Tino. I'm pretty sure it was bearish news because it dropped at 8 o'clock my time, and look what happened. That's exactly when I entered a trade, and boom. I'm pretty sure that was from that news. But I appreciate you, Tino. It's definitely tough right now, and I'll never lie about like how I'm doing. Like I'll never like I'm being transparent. Cause like if I'm able to grow continually and we're able to grow continually, like that's why I'm doing this. I'm documenting my journey. I'm showing you guys my journey in hopes to inspire you, and maybe you're going through the same stuff I'm going through, and hopefully you can relate. But I'm definitely using this news thing, Market Watch. I appreciate you for pointing that out. Yeah, it was yeah, cause this isn't yeah this is Eastern time, 10 a.m. bearish. And then look at what happened. Like that's why I do this. Like I appreciate you for pointing that out to me, cause now I'm not gonna make mistakes like that. Like I'm only aware of like high impact news, like CPI, PPI. I'm pretty sure. Oh, yeah. I need to turn these news events on, cause like even though it's not like the highest impact, like these news events still impact the market. Cause like I'm not wrong. Like I had bullish daily bias, and that's what I was looking for. Like a good like this wouldn't be a terrible entry, but I'm just gonna get on with my day. Kind of a really short stream today. Took one trade, lost. We're out. We'll be back at it tomorrow. Tomorrow is CPI. Then Friday is PPI. And then next Monday is a bank holiday. Hey, I appreciate it, Luca. Thank you. I'll take all the help I can get. Yeah, but I'm curious to see QQQ on the 1 minute at that support level. Oh, we kind of swept it. I think you should stay on and trade, pretend trade with the group. Yeah, low key. I got you. Cause it's all about screen time, just getting more screen time, and if I'm able to see the market more, then I'm able to possibly execute off of and get better. But right now on SPY, we held above my 100 EMA on the 5 minute. Like I feel like this would have been the better entry for me. Is see we held above that stop, just below here, target where it was before. Like that's a tight stop, not a bunch of risk, and that would have been a better risk to reward setup for me. But this is kind of what I'm looking at. Cause very well just wasn't the best entry. Thursday, tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll probably. It all depends. Got my journal. It's where I journal all my trades, and where I have another one for my trading plans. That way I have like all my wins and losses like on paper. Actually writing down those thoughts. Maybe on YouTube I might start like posting videos of my trade recaps, but for now I'm just gonna stick with kind of the videos that I posted in the last 2 days. But yeah, this would have been the better trade entry for me. And now this is when we finally retrace back into equilibrium, into a discount, held above that EMA. Nvidia, bro. Just continuing to make that's insane. Nvidia is such a beast. Like for me, trading Nvidia, like those option contracts are just way too volatile, and they'll definitely continue to just be more volatile. Same with Tesla. Tesla, those contracts, like Delta on those contracts are insane. Yeah, but like Luca was saying, we have what do we have? Liquidity resting above these highs, and we could wait for a possible break lower. Yeah, now we're kind of flipping bearish. Have you all taken any trades today? Yeah, for sure. We're definitely definitely could flip bearish. I'm a journal my loss real quick. Oh my gosh. Sorry for the ear rape if that just happened. But like if y'all see my mic, it doesn't really have like a like I need one of those boom arm things. Dude, it's going all right. If you didn't just see I took a loss. I got stopped out on this move and took my loss. And right now I'm just journaling that loss. I mean, at least our risk was proper. We had good risk. Yeah. We'll go over it again. Kind of went over, but basically. We're bullish. Came in with bullish bias. Kind of retraced exactly what I want to see. Then definitely jumped the gun. I entered off of this target above here. Stop below here, and I got stopped out. And that's the trade I took. But looking back, I should have waited for more confirmation. If we look, let's go to the 5-minute right here. Waited for a larger retracement into the equilibrium instead of this just retracement not even halfway through the move. Just notice QQQ got a nice size gap above if it can break. And honestly, boys, I'm probably gonna end stream soon. It was a shorter stream today, and we just took a loss. That's it. We took a loss. We'll be back. I can't get discouraged over a loss. I can't like sit and pout about a loss. Like losses are gonna happen. Like what was that telling me? One, what did I learn? I need to be not just looking at red folder and orange folder news. I also need to be looking at these other type of news because they can have impact on the market. And what do? We entered right at one of those news events, and then what happened? We saw downside, and I answered right then. We'll say if it was bullish news though, maybe it would have impacted me in a good way, and I would have won off of that. Yeah. I'm glad I followed my rules. Like even though we did lose the trade, my risk was there. I'm kind of at like a point to my journey where I feel like I need to be risking less. Like I traded with 3 contracts today. I don't think I should be trading 3. I think I should be trading 1 contract, which that's probably what I'm going to start doing. Because that $90 loss would have been a $30 loss instead. And then what happens? I'm able to trade more days. I'm able to lose more days if I'm able to do that. And that's kind of what's on my mind. But let me know what you guys think. Like, do you think I should be risking less? Yeah. See, sometimes, um, if I have like a clear if I have a bias, I get kind of caught up in that bias, like you're saying. I kind of get because the market's gonna do what it's gonna do, and you can't get like too caught up in your bias. Yeah, sometimes it's good to have a bias, but don't get overly biased. CPI, I'm honestly not so sure, but I'm definitely playing 1 contract tomorrow. I'll be tomorrow and Friday. I'm playing 1 contract, and we'll see how that goes. And then I'm honestly just gonna keep on trading 1 contract until I get in a consistent rhythm. Because there's no way I should be trading 3 contracts if I'm struggling, like that. That's not how I should be doing it. But I feel you on that, reducing how many contracts. I think if your confidence takes a hit, risk less. Yeah, because right now I'm not confident. I'm overthinking, and not confident at all. And honestly, I think I need to reread. I think I need to reread this book. 1 second. This book right here. Yeah, for sure. Definitely. For me, any like this is what I do. I just have a binder, and then I have a trading plan, and then I have one for my trade recaps, and I have all that just written down with, like actually writing it down, because I feel like writing down like puts it in your brain. But one contract for sure. Cause it's really just greed. It's really just greed for me right now. Yeah, this is what I was looking for, and like I was saying, the entry for me is this. Like that's really where I should enter. One contract, boom. What is that, like $25 loss maybe? But I'm definitely probably gonna try to reread this, The Mental Game of Trading. Not try to reread it. I am gonna reread this over the weekend. I'm gonna read all of this. Thank you, bro. That means a lot. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you're spitting some facts. I mean, it's definitely encouraging to see like that I have people, like I have you guys in here to support me, and like that just means the world to me, because like I started in hopes that this is what it would build up to, and I'm just grateful. Super grateful. Like I this past week I've been gaining a little bit more and a little bit more, and then next week a little bit more, a little bit more. But I'm probably gonna head out, um, and then just watch this trade, pretty much go on what I thought it was, but I mean, it wasn't like a terrible day today, but going forward, one contract, one contract, one contract. Like that's what I'm gonna be doing, and it's not gonna be appealing to me, but I'm going to get better, and I'm gonna be constantly doing these things that I know I should be doing and stick to that. But I hope you guys trade well today, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Today, kind of just today wasn't a bad day. Yeah, I feel like we're gonna get to this 475 area for sure. But I'm gonna head out. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. I appreciate you guys, and we're only gonna get better from here. And I hope you all have a just fantastic rest of your day. Thank you.